Good morning all of you. Welcome to Narayana LI class. This is 10th class of Social Studies. Amazing assignment key number 24 dated 22nd September 2020. So let us see this key and that is emerging political trends. Choosing the correct answers. Dash was assassinated by LTTE. Liberation of Tiger Tamil Eelam. So, who was assassinated? So, A. Indira Gandhi, B. Rajiv Gandhi, C. L.K. Advani, D. V.P. Singh. B is the correct answer, Rajiv Gandhi. And the second one, who led the Radha Yatra? A. V.P. Singh, B. L.K. Advani, C. Vajpayee, D. P.V. Narasimha. B is the correct answer. And the third one, and the period between dash to dash was a testing time for Indian democracy. A. 1975 to 1985, B. 1985 to 1995, C. 1965 to 1975, D. 1955 to 1965. A is the correct answer. 1975 to 1985. Fourth one, the first coalition government led by A. Morarji Desai, B. V.P. Singh, C. A.B. Vajpayee, D. Deve Gowda. B is the correct answer, V.P. Singh. Fifth one, Dash made an assignment of issue of the demolition of Babri Masjid in 1992. Dash made an issue of the assignment. Where that country is made? So, A. Bangladesh, B. India, C. Pakistan, D. Afghanistan. So, fifth answer is B. India. In India, Babri Masjid is happened. Sixth one, National Front government with Deve Gowda and I.K. Gujral as Prime Ministers in which year? A. 1996, B. 1997, C. 1998, D. 1999. So, B is the correct answer, 1997. So, okay, coming to the questions. That is 2 mark questions. What was Operation Blue Star? Okay, that Operation Blue Star is happened in the year 1984. Okay, Sikhs became militant in Punjab under leader Bhindranwale. Bhindranwale is Sikh militants leader is asking about a separate state that is Khalistan from Punjab. So that's why, what are that one? So in Punjab, non-Sikhs people are communal attacked by non-Sikh people. Those who are non-Sikh people are communal attacked by the Sikh people only. And there was army was also 6 separate groups. They occupied that Golden Temple. Golden Temple, it is located. Golden Temple was located in Amritsar district in Punjab state, Amritsar district. It is also Golden Temple is holy shrine of Sikh people. These militants are occupied this Golden Temple. Okay, in order to vacate that terrorist or militants in order to vacate from this Golden Temple, Indira Gandhi government or Congress government in the year 1982 like that year. So they told you had to vacate that Golden Temple. Golden Temple is holy shrine of for Sikh people. So that people, militant people, they rejected not to vacate that area. So that Indira government, she made that operation. That operation Blue Star, it is conducted by the Congress government and it is conducted by Srimati Indira Gandhi. So because of that one, so immediately army captured that entire the Golden Temple. So by making Operation Blue Star, so it is these militants are vacated that one. Army had to vacate that campus. So this vacating about that Golden Temple area, it is known as Operation Blue Star. And this Operation Blue Star is happened in the year 1982-83. Because of that one, so these militants attacked Srimati Indira Gandhi, and Indira Gandhi was also assassinated in the year 1984. So that one here militant leader was known as Bhindranwala. He was also Sikh leader, so he was also leader for that not making about Khalistan. Next, second question. Discuss in your class why the poorest people often do not get to benefit from schemes intended for them. What long-term steps should be taken to ensure that such benefits really reach the poor people? Okay, poorest step, the poor people do not get any benefit. Poorest of the poor people in our India, they do not get any benefits. They have to access to the schemes. They have to access the schemes. What are the schemes it is implemented by the government, or what are the schemes are announced by the government also. So all the poor people, they don't know some schemes. They don't know what are the scheme it is benefited for the poor people. They had to, first of all, they had to know. And there exists in build of corrupt at higher levels. In higher levels also there is a corruption. Because of that corruption, so that what are the benefits are there, that the benefits are not reach for the poor people. So all the benefits should be reach the poor people. And governance is also very low. Governing things are also very low in our India. So that governance is also they had to increase. And the Right to Information Act is made so in our India. So if that Right to Act and everything it is there, then all the people they can access what are the schemes are implemented by the central government or state government, and then we can eradicate the poor, and we can eradicate the poverty. And so that's why in one famous speech of Rajiv Gandhi, he told that one, so poor people only they getting benefited, so out of the 1 rupee 15 paise only they are benefited. So these are the keys for this our lesson. So key number 24, that is the 8th question answer. 8th question answer is completed. Thank you one and all.